What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we got to go over Ethereum today. So there's a lot going on in Ethereum right now. So there's so much movement going on. So we have a resistance right now that we're trying to get past. It's the $2,500 resistance, and Bitcoin's trying to get past $42,000. But as you can see, Ethereum up 11.35% in the last 7 days, and then for the last 24 hours, 4.28%. So we're doing pretty good compared to a lot of the other stuff, like Dogecoin. We're definitely doing better than Dogecoin in growth and everything else out there other than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is doing really good as well. So as you can see, we are consolidating right now, but it's trying to decide whether or not it's going to break this $2,500 resistance now or not. But right now we have a lot of catalysts that are probably going to shoot us past this resistance, and that's what we're really going to talk about today. I'm really not going to focus too much on the technicals, but the fundamentals, because a lot's going on. And as you all know, the London Hardfork is about to come out right now, the 4th or the 5th, somewhere around there, but it's about to come out. So that's about to be a really big thing that just sends us way past this resistance. And anyways, as you can see here through this channel, like Ethereum just started shooting up from the 20th till now. So everything's changed. This is the FOMO cycle. People are starting to throw their money inside of crypto left and right. But anyways, let's go over some of the stuff that we have for today. So Ethereum, this resistance zone might open up shorting opportunities for people. So that's probably what's going to happen. They said Ethereum's latest hike above 2,300 to 2,400 saw the price finally break north of its horizontal channel after 3 attempts since June 22nd. And as you can see back here, we have been just trying to get past this for a while. Let's go all the way back here. So yeah, we've been trying to get past this level here for a while. So anyways, now we're getting past 2,500 almost, but we'll be there eventually. But anyways, this is all for the technicals. The major Ethereum upgrade is now set to alter the supply and fixed transaction fees. So this is going to be the whole London Hardfork, the EIP 1559. So this whole upgrade is about to really shoot Ethereum to the moon. Like, this is about to be a really major catalyst for it. So as you can see here, the scheduled coding revamp will go live on August 4th. So the upgrade noted as Ethereum Improvement Proposal, which is the EIP 1559, aka the London Hardfork, is similar analysis said to a Bitcoin halving event in which periodic adjustments reduced the supply of Bitcoin pretty much. So each halving helped propel Bitcoin's price to higher records. So while Bitcoin is the preferred store of value in the digital ecosystem, Ethereum has emerged as the leading financial infrastructure, settling over $12 billion of daily transactions. So Ethereum is trying to, beat Bitcoin right now. I really do believe that Ethereum can beat Bitcoin right now, but right now we just have to get past this, resistance. And this whole London Hardfork thing is actually going to help us go straight to the moon, because this is a major catalyst, believe it or not. Every single update that Ethereum has is major, and they always make sure to improve it, like, every single time. And they do way more updates than Bitcoin, let's be honest. But anyways, let's go over to London Hardfork, right? So the much awaited and publicized Ethereum London Hardfork is soon approaching its debut. So we are almost here, and they're doing more than just a London Hardfork. They have the EIP 3198. So the EIP 3198 is in some way an extension of the EIP 1559. It expands the user experience explained above to smart contracts. So note that smart contracts refer to self-executing programs of the blockchain, and they have so many different things going on. So Ethereum, so many different major catalysts about to just send Ethereum straight to the moon. So right now I'm really bullish on Ethereum right now, and Cardano. Cardano is going to do really good because they're also doing a lot of updates just like Ethereum. But traders forecast 3K Ethereum price. So honestly, 3K right now, we need to pass 2,500 right now. But yeah, 3K, we're definitely going to pass that, because we were way past that before. We were at like 4,500. So just think, when Bitcoin reaches like 60K again, Ethereum will probably be back at like $4,500, give or take, somewhere around there. And yeah, because we got all the way up there to $4,100, $4,200. So I definitely believe that we can do 3,000 right now. But anyways, this is pretty much all I have for all of that. So anyways, the network fees will automatically be set, although users can choose to pay extra for faster confirmations. So The miners, or the validators in the future as they call it, the validators, will receive this additional fee, but the base fee will be burned. In a nutshell, Ether is expected to become deflationary. So that's a big statement for the EIP 1559 that's going live. So they're doing a lot with these fees. So the Bitstamp CEO now says he's been blown away by interest in Ether staking as exchanges gear up for Ethereum 2.0. So lots of staking going on. In Ether 2.0, this is about to take the whole world by surprise. So anyways, Bitstamp CEO has been blown away by the amount of interest in Ether staking, he says, and then Bitstamp is one of the many exchanges to have Ether staking. So we're about to see a lot of staking opportunities coming out really soon here for Ethereum. Now, there's more stuff coming out with Ethereum. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies are braced for a $2.1 trillion earthquake after extreme price swings. So Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies have seen a violent return to volatility, blah, 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 all this FUD and stuff. But down here, what they're talking about is now amid reports, institutional investors are gearing up to re-enter the Bitcoin and crypto market. A new law in Germany will allow institutional investors that currently manage a staggering $1.8 trillion in euros, which is about 2.1 trillion US dollars, to invest in Bitcoin and crypto for the first time. So literally $2.1 trillion is now allowed to go into crypto from this Germany institution, all those institutions. So that is about to be one of the biggest major things that are about to go on right now. Like, that's about to be huge. That's a huge catalyst right there. So this is about to happen, and when this happens, just know everything is about to go all the way up. Bitcoin's probably going to get right back up to 65,000. So you got to think $2.1 trillion. You got to think what Bitcoin was at. Bitcoin was almost touching like 1.5 trillion when it was, all the way up there. But we had a lot of money inside of the whole market. We actually had way more than a trillion. Now, if you see the whole market cap right now, 1.6 trillion, imagine there being an extra 2.1 trillion. That means that Bitcoin would probably be at 100K, which everyone is predicting by the end of the year. And Ethereum will probably be at around 10K, most likely around 20K too. So any of that could happen. That's definitely going to change the whole market. It's going to change everything in crypto. So that's going to be really big. And anyways, 6 flagship dApps are set to go live on Ethereum scaling project Scale. So there's going to be a lot more dApps, decentralized apps that are just about to go live, and it's going to happen a lot in the future. So anyways, Scale Labs CEO Jack Holleran told CoinDesk that teams will be releasing their dApps between now and the end of this summer. So Boot.finance, Kovi, Choreo, DAO, Human Protocol, these are all the different names. They got some weird names here, but they're all going to be going live. They're going to be decentralized apps. So they're going to be just like, MetaMask, PancakeSwap, all that, Uniswap, you name it. They're going to be just like that. So this is going to be pretty big, and they are going to launch on the Ethereum's usability. So this is going to be all on Ethereum smart chain. So a bunch of stuff is about to start happening inside the future. So as you can see, from Reddit choosing the Arbitrum to Uniswap tapping Optimism scaling projects are tuning various ways to get more transactions onto the world's leading smart contract platforms. So we're about to have a lot of stuff going on here inside Ethereum. But anyways, this is all I have for today, all the Ethereum news for today. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Check out the link in the description for free stock with Rob and Weeble, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.